Fam, I have something super cool to show you in today's video. If you wanna know how to turn your videos into animations like this, stay until the end of the video. Let's go! First, we need a reference video that we want to convert. I'm going to use one I recorded for this tutorial a few days ago. This step is optional and only necessary if you want to remove the background and just keep your face and silhouette. Take the video you recorded, open CapCut and add it to the timeline. Select it, then go to the Remove Background tab, choose the Auto Removal mode and wait a few seconds for the process to finish. Now we have our video without the background. Next, we need a reference style, also Runway ML Gen 1, which we'll use to convert the video past predefined styles, and a prompt option. I prefer using an image as a reference for better control over the final result. You can create an image in any style you like using any generator, but in this case I'm going to use Rendernet because it has tons of models and options to achieve the result I want. I'm going to try the Western anime model, and the prompt is super long, so I won't narrate it, but as you can see, it will let us create characters in a comic style reminiscent of Ben X. Don't worry, the prompt is in the description. So generate a few images and pick the one you like best. Now that we have both the original video and our reference style, let's move to Runway ML. In the Video Generation tab, click on Gen 1, then upload the original video, and on the right side, upload the reference image. Select it and set the style strength to 20%. You can play with this parameter and see that the higher it is, the less it will look like the original, and vice versa. After many tests, I find 20% to be a sweet spot. With everything set, click Generate Video and wait. This process can take a few minutes, so let's skip ahead and done. A few days ago, I shared this video on social media where you can see many more examples. This reminds me, you can follow me on your favorite social network. Just look for TechHala on X, TikTok, Instagram and Remix and hit the follow button. I share a lot of educational content to help you maximize your creativity. And of course, don't forget to subscribe here and hit the notification bell. It's free and it helps me a lot. Great promo tech! Finally, if you want to overlay the new video on the original, it's super easy. Open CapCut, upload both videos, adjust when you want the modified one to appear, and use the Remove Background feature again. You can also apply fade in and fade out for a smoother transition. What do you think? I'm already thinking about how to create videos with even more control using AI. If you notice a change in the quality and format of this video, it's because I just got an OBS boat Tail Air. I'll be recording scenes with it to convert later with AI. There's a link to it on Amazon in the description if you want to check it out. And that's all for today, folks. TechHala signing off. Bye bye, guys.